Greetings, fellow travelers! Today we're embarking on a remarkable expedition to Planet Floop, home of the Goldilocks glitter strikes, mysterious landmarks, unusual wildlife, and at least one very tired waitress. And if we're lucky, we'll avoid any glitter storms, marshmallow avalanches, or spaceport parking tickets. We'll be building the entire planet from scratch, which is much easier than building it from taxes. Every great world begins with a strong foundation. Mine began with poor decisions and a trampoline. These egg whites will help Planet Floop remain light and fluffy, much like the citizens. The citizens are not light and fluffy. You clearly haven't attended the annual Hair Expansion Festival. We're creating a smooth, rich batter, the same way Glow makes coffee. Glow's coffee isn't made from butter. That explains a lot. Jum got it. Honestly, best thing that's happened all day. That was a good one! Gentle folding preserves the air we've worked so hard to create. Much like diplomacy. Full of air. Planet Floop is famous for its colorful geological regions, and because nobody there can agree on a color scheme, the planet slowly begins to take shape. Unlike Nadia's navigation plans, our excess batter will become Planet Floop's landmarks later. I kinda miss Glow in her diner. Planet formation requires patience. Or an oven. Just little... I know it. Proudly. Can I ask something? No. Too late. No. At last Planet Floop emerges. To cover Planet Floop properly, we begin with frozen egg whites saved from earlier custard expeditions. Nothing goes to waste on Planet Floop, except Nadia's travel plans. The egg white, sugar, and salt are warmed gently until the sugar dissolves and the mixture reaches 160 degrees. That's hot enough to make the sugar behave itself. Oh, Mother Francis, I've been folded inside that ship so long my spine sounds like popcorn. There goes a hit. You lack a commitment to evil. Oh! I lack leg room. Then the mixture is whipped into a glossy meringue. Look at that fluff. It has more volume than my hair. Almost. Butter is added a little at a time until the buttercream becomes smooth and silky. If it looks weird, keep mixing. That's also my life advice. A splash of vanilla completes the Swiss meringue buttercream. You see? It's working. What? You know what this reminds me of? A flawless tentacle lore? Elegant, fluffy, and ready to become an entire planet. The rainbow frost planes stretch across the surface. Beautiful, chaotic, slightly sticky. Encircling the planet is the Great Ring Sea. Please do not attempt to eat the atmosphere. The Crystal Peak Mountains, highest point on the planet. Research stations monitor weather conditions and snack conditions. No. What are those people at the mall trying to hand out perfume samples? I have never smelled affordable. I'm gonna haunt both of you when I die. And here we see Nadia's crash site. You should hear how this happened. No spoilers. Rats. Construction continues on Floop's newest eatery. Current population, 1 hamburger and several dreams. The famous Cosmic Curio gift shop. We bought our necklaces here. And that gift shop owner was unique. Come to me, you're magic morons! Whoa! Whoa! The boulder path connects the mountains to the Great Ring Sea. Excellent for hiking. Young fluxes learn to fly along this route. Some of them even stay airborne. And welcome to Glow Stardust Diner, home of the galaxy's most exhausted waitress. Purple Peach Plaza commemorates one of the galaxy's greatest mysteries. Nobody knows where the real Purple Peach is. The search continues. Meanwhile, Nadia is carrying around a purple pear. A completely ordinary purple pear. Wrong fruit, strong commitment. Oh my good gravy, you look like a glamorous cupcake! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! What is this? What is this? Travelers arrive safely here. Mostly, those are tall pockies. Usually catch you if you don't slow down fast enough. And newly hatched fluxes spend their early days here. Tiny little sour worms with big dreams. Planet Floop is complete. Thank you for joining us on our journey across Planet Floop. Until next time, keep your engines fueled, your glitter polished, and make sure you've got the correct fruit. Floop-a-loop!